Hey people, since I make always two videos, I have to just say this, yeah, that this little rabbit, no, this brown rabbit is like I've kept quite a few rabbits till now because rabbits inherently they are, I don't know, there's a lot of inbreeding that goes on, so they don't survive, yeah, many of them. But there was this among rabbits also they have this personality. So this little rabbit had this personality like I'm coming home with you, no matter what I'm coming. So it was with that spirit you just had to pick this little animal, and she's even now she's got this fighter spirit. And now that I'm holding this brown one, this white one is also here. But truly people, I feel keeping rabbits in particular as pets is far easier than other animals like dogs, cats and all. I mean really, because they are such silent creatures and such clean creatures also. And it's so nice to observe their different personalities. So it's already a 1 minute long video. And see, that's the white one with 1 year, but she's adorable, he's adorable. So really people, and this is I think a mixed breed. It had brown dad and a white mom, so that's why it's half brown and white, but it's got real spirit. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.